What they don't actually teach you about trading is how to actually be profitable. Instead, you're led to believe that everything is about strategy, and you agree with it because it does make a lot of sense. You think that strategy is the way in to trading, and it's only the tip of the iceberg, to be honest. And so you've been lied to your whole life about trading, about the way you should think from the time you were in school. And so in this video, I'm going to go through what the flipping of the switch actually means within trading and how you can apply it to your trades to improve your overall performance. And that's what you're going to find out by the end of this video. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, go ahead, like and subscribe, and drop a comment below. This is going to help boost the algorithm and get this message out to more traders like you. So let's get started. The lie that you've been sold, you've been told a lie from the day you were sent to school, the day you got indoctrinated at school, where you were taught to memorize things and to trade your time for money, and that hard work is good. More time equals more pay. You got to trade your time for money. And you have to understand that the people that were teaching you this in the school system, it was created basically to teach you to never really think, not to think for yourself, because God forbid, if you thought for yourself, then you would realize that it was a bad deal, that you were getting into a bad deal. So you were taught to not question things, not to question society, the norms, and the 9 to 5 grind, even though if you felt that it was wrong deep down in your gut, like you didn't really click with it. And that's most probably why you are trying to trade, because somewhere inside of you, you know it's off. You know that it's all bullshit. The whole system. And yet you're not fully there yet. You don't know what you're battling because you're being led to think that, okay, so the old system doesn't work, so trading is a good way to get rich because all these Instagram traders and TikTok traders are showing accounts and Lamborghinis, and they want me to deposit money with their broker and buy their expensive courses and all of this shit. And so you think that trading is the way out, yet you're approaching trading with the old mindset, the old belief that you were sold. Do you understand? And so you've basically started trading and you're learning everything, but you're not learning how to think. You're learning the strategies and the technical stuff about trading. And that's not wrong. I mean, that's not bad. I'm not saying that that's bad. I mean, you have to learn that. But you weren't you were never taught how to think in the market. Do you understand? So if you're not taught how to think, you're not really taught how to react to certain situations. You don't understand why you're over trading or why you're revenge trading, why you act the way you do. You don't understand this part of the equation, the subconscious part, the emotional part. And then because you don't understand this, because God forbid, if you were able to think for yourself, if you don't understand this, then you're going to continually keep failing. And no strategy is going to help you. It's just not going to ever work out. That's why you keep blowing up your accounts, because you are stuck in this old emotional pattern, these old triggers, these old loops that are happening on a subconscious level without you knowing it. Do you see? And so that is basically what's causing you to react in the market. You have all these old programs that are running. You see, if we were sent to school and we were just taught how to like grow our own food, how to think, how to behave, how to like connect, and all the important, all the real world stuff, how to do finance, how to budget, and all the really important stuff, maybe we would all be better at trading. But unfortunately, we weren't taught that. It's more or less to be a worker bee in a factory and take orders and never question authority. So then you don't know why you're trading from survival, or you're trading to get trying to get rich, or you're trading because your ego. You don't know these things because you're not aware of it. The way that it works is that you become aware. So now, after some time, these things, you may have heard them already. So you might have heard things like, you got to detach, you need to get rid of your ego, you need to do all of this stuff. You might have heard of these saying, but it just went in one ear and out the other, like, because you never really thought how important it was. And I understand, because that was me as well. I've heard about things like dopamine addiction in trading. Detachment is the key to success in trading. All of these things, I heard about them for a long time, but I never really thought about them. I always just thought that it was just about strategy. But the thing is, as you have more pain and more time in the market, you come to realize that maybe you should pay attention to these things. Maybe it's not the strategy anymore. And this is where the flip of the switch begins. Do you understand? This is where, if you stay in the game long enough without quitting, eventually you keep coming back and circling around these concepts of detachment and ego. And then eventually you get sick and tired of being sick and tired. And so at that point, you start looking into it. And this is probably why you're here, subscribed to my channel, watching videos like these. Notice I don't talk about strategy. I don't do strategy videos. You don't need strategy videos from me. There's plenty of strategy videos out there, but there's nobody out there really telling you how to think, how to react, how to look at trading from a different point of view. And this is where I'm really coming from, a place of subconscious control, emotional control, how to think, how to react, how to behave in the market in ways that are going to be profitable and advantageous to you. Do you understand? So the professional traders understand that they need to become detached. They need to be mindful, aware. They have to have all of these things in place, and that actually these things make up the majority of the trades. It's not just strategy. And so when you flip the switch, when you actually go full out and flip the switch, here's what it looks like. You don't chase your setups anymore. You stop chasing price. So you wait for price to come to you. So you're taking less trades. You're not over trading. Do you understand? You are now respecting the process. Whereas before there was no process, you just wanted to make the money. But you have to understand now that flipping the switch means the money is a result of the process. So you fall in love with the process. And then you start self-assessing yourself. So you start journaling every day. Every trade you take, you have an emotional journal, right? And then also you start grading your trades. So you give a grade breakdown. So now you're only looking for A plus setups. You're not chasing trades. This is flipping the switch. This is what it's all about. And then you have an emotional check-in system to rewire your programming, essentially. So you are not just focused on strategy, you're appreciating and understanding that there's psychology. You see, I used to think psychology was some lame topic in trading. Like, psychology, I don't need that. That's bullshit. Why would I ever need that? Yeah, fear and greed. I know, I know. You see, that's all ego talking. I know, I know, I know. No, you don't know. You don't know what you don't know. And until you have enough pain, until you're sick and tired of being sick and tired and you hear it enough times, it will stop going through your ear and eventually stick. And then that's the point where you flip the switch and then you focus on the important stuff. Do you understand? And so you build systems. You have your trading systems, you have your systems for rewiring your subconscious, you have your systems for emotional regulation, awareness, you have your rituals. All of these things become your new way of living. It's not just about taking a trade. It was never about just taking a trade. Taking the trade is the last part of the equation. It's the smallest, most final part. It's not about that. It's about leading up to that and what happens at that point, what got you there. Do you understand? And so that is flipping the switch. And when you flip the switch, you become a beast. You become a new trader because your identity shifts, your personality changes. You're not your old self. You might still have the same strategy, but you're a different person, and you're aware and you're not repeating the same mistakes. This is how you know if you need to change or not. You keep making the same mistakes and you can't stop. You can't help yourself. You took a loss and you, instead of not taking another trade, you couldn't help yourself. You had to re-enter and you don't know why. Even though you knew your rules and even though you knew that you should not be taking another trade, you still did it. That's your old programming that's running. It's controlling you subconsciously. No matter what you know, it's no matter how hard you know it, unless you do the proper programming work, you're never going to fix it. So you flip the switch, and flipping the switch is doing the work, reprogramming your psychology, reprogramming your mindset. And so if you're serious about going to the next level, to level up to the final boss level of the equation of your trading journey, assuming that you have a good strategy and you know you have a good strategy, and most of you know you have a good strategy, but you're forcing it, you're trying to make it work, and that's why it's not working. Do you understand? You keep forcing it. You're like, hang on a minute, I was told this works, and then why do I take a loss? Because you can't handle a loss, so you take the next worst trade. Do you understand? And then it's just, then you start tilting from there. So you got to do the internal work. You have to fix the internal. Your internal world is going to be the cause of the effect. The effect is your external world. cause and effect, right? Why didn't they just teach us about cause and effect at school? Well, why would they? Why would they want you to understand that you have the power, that everything is within you? Why would the old education system, why would the matrix want to raise a bunch of strong, powerful, independent thinking individuals? That's not beneficial to the matrix. God forbid if you start winning at trading, then gosh, they would have nobody working in the factories. Do you see what I mean? So you need to fix the cause, and the cause is internal. You build your systems from within, and then everything external over time. It doesn't happen overnight. You need to do the work, and then you also have to do the back testing to rewire as well with the back testing. Back testing is to reprogram new neurons, new neural pathways, new ways of cementing pattern recognition. Do you understand? You have to do it because that's the only way to mastery. And that's how you get to the unconscious competence level. And so all of this is the work that you have to do. And until you accept and do this work, then nothing ever changes. You can keep trying to hammer out your old strategy till the cows come home, and it's still not going to work. I could give you 100% win rate strategy, and if your mindset is broken, it's still not going to work. You're going to find a way to fuck it up somehow. Something in you is going to override. You're going to, you, the fact that you don't want to listen and you don't want to take on the information that I'm giving you is already to do with it's your subconscious blocking you. It's the ego blocking you from growth because growth is uncomfortable. You don't want to hear certain things. You don't want to admit certain things. And ego is the enemy. It's the number one enemy to anything, to any success that you want. So you have to overcome it. You have to, call a spade for what it is and get rid of the ego. And once you can overcome this, that's when you can allow room to grow, the new space to grow internally. Do you understand? So that's what my program's all about, the Inner Edge Pro. We go in and we reprogram your subconscious mind. We get rid of the negative beliefs within your system. I give you a full structure of a new way to think and a new belief system within yourself, all to do with trading, and essentially build you up new from the inside out and totally transform the way you operate. If you want to be a world-class operator, a true professional trader, then go ahead, check out the first link in the description, the Inner Edge Pro. If you're new to my channel, go ahead, like and subscribe, drop your comments below. Until the next video, you're on your own now. Take care now. Bye.